Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah, and today I'm going to show you how to apply your trimmings using the glue gun. So you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your co-soulmates, and let's get started. The first thing you want to get is your glue gun plugged into the electric source, light source for heating the electric glue gun machine. Then you want to have applied your gum inside the glue gun so that once the machine starts heating up, it will start melting the gum inside it. So once that is done, you must have gone ahead to also prep your garment. It must be a finished garment that you are no longer going to sew or stitch or iron. So make sure it's properly ironed and pressed, and you are very sure that you are okay with what is looking like. So this will be the last thing you'll be doing under your garment. So once your glue gun machine is ready and is heated up and the glue is already coming out, you want to start by taking your trimmings depending on the design. You get it now. So from the tip of the trimming, you start gluing it and then placing it directly on the part you want the trimmings to be. Make sure to take your time to align it so that it will not go out of place or it will not smear the garment, because once you've applied it on the garment, it will stick to the garment. The gum will stick to the garment, so you removing it will make a mess of the design of your dress. So you want to take your time to properly place the gum and take it at interval. You don't have to put the gum all through at once. Place the gum at a distance that you can handle so that your job will be well done. You will need to be removing and clearing and cleaning it off your dress that you've already made. So you continue this process until you are done. And also, when you are trying to use something like this, make sure that your trimmings is long enough to cover the distance you want to cover, so that you will not have to think of maybe you want to remove it, because once this gum land on your garment, it's very difficult to remove. You get it now. So you want to be very sure that you are having enough trimmings length to go around your distance you want to cover on the dress. And also along the line, your gum might get exhausted or get shortened in, just like what we have here. So we just have to have another gum handy ready for you to put in, to push in the previously used one, or the one you are still using but is now short. You have to make sure that you have an extra one to push it in to continue your project, and that's how you continue till you get to the end. And once you got into the end, you want to trim off the excesses that are on the trimmings, the excess that you have left or the leftover. You trim it off, and then you check through your garment to see what is looking like. Clean off whatever gums web that you might have on your fabric or your garment, so that you can have a neat job. And once that is done, your garment is ready and you can easily rock it. And your client will also love what it look like, because there's a way trimmings increase the beauty of garment. You take it from grand let's say grand 50 to grand 100. So this is how you apply your glue gun. You apply your trimmings using your glue gun, and it's very effective. It is very effective. It does not pull off easily, and voila, our garment is ready and is ready to be rocked by the owner. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you have not subscribed, do wait to subscribe, tap the like button, and share with your co-soulmate. Bye.